everybody. Today we are going to be making some rings out of paper and out of dollar bills. So the first thing we're going to do is use the dollar bill. And you want a crisp dollar bill. Let's move that over here out of the way. So you're going to take your dollar bill and you're going to make it face you. And you're going to see there's a border on this side. You're going to fold that bottom border up. And make sure you crease it. Because the better your creases, the more crisp they are, the better the ring turns out. Now if you notice, my fold is not quite even. I mean, it's a little bit fold. It doesn't matter, just as long as it's folded up. It doesn't have to be perfect. So then you're going to take this part and you're going to fold the bill toward you so it's in half. And I learned when I was teaching kids in school that this is called a hot dog fold because it's lengthwise. You know, if you were to fold it widthwise, this would be a hamburger fold, but we're not doing hamburger folds, we're doing a hot dog fold, which makes no sense to me, but it did to the kids, so that's okay. So now we're going to take that fold and we're going to fold it again toward you. Like that. So on the one side you're going to see the word 1 with the top kind of missing, a little bit folded under. And if you turn it on the other side, you're going to see, I didn't get it quite folded in half there. Okay, so you're going to see on this side, you're going to see the word $1, the number ones in each corner. You're going to take that part, you're going to face it toward you. And then the word 1 is right here. And this N is going to be used as a measuring marker. And you're going to take the middle of the N, you're going to fold your dollar up to the middle of the N right there. And so you can still see half the N showing. Okay. You want to crease it pretty good. Then you're going to take that folded part and you're going to flip it over and make another fold right there. Now make sure you crease it really well. Okay. You're going to hold it in your left hand. Now when you hold it up in your left hand, you need to turn it around so that you're seeing the word 1, the upside down 1 that I showed you, and it's pointing to your left. And you're going to take that and you're going to wrap it around your finger, your pointer finger there, all the way around. And you don't want to wrap it too tight because this is the part that's going to be your ring that's going to go on your finger. Okay, then you're going to take this and you're going to bend this little flap here. See, there's a border right there. And you're going to use that as a place to fold it, a marker. And you're going to fold that like that. A little flap there. So on this side, you're going to take this part and you're going to fold it over top. And then underneath here, which you're not going to be able to see, there's like a little pocket fold there. And that's where you're going to tuck this part in. You're going to tuck this flap down inside that little pocket fold, and that's going to hold the ring together. You're going to take this flap and you're going to fold it over that way. And there's another little pocket fold right here. See this fold right here is pocket. And you're going to take that flap and you're going to fold it inside the pocket just like that. And there's your dollar ring. Took the dollar bill and I put it on here And you can put it on any paper you want. This is just some leftover paper that I had from some stationery. And I traced the dollar, and I traced it exactly the length of the dollar, and then I thought, well, I want it to be a little longer because I want the ring to fit my finger. So this one I didn't do, I just put like right here, and it still wasn't enough. And then that one, this one, I put it out farther. So you want to do almost an inch maybe longer, depending on how big you want the ring to be. And then you're going to take your scissors, and you can see that I didn't my edges are never straight, and I never cut straight lines, but that's okay because it's not an exact science, it's a craft project. So you're going to take this now. If you want the smiley faces to be on the outside, you want to turn the paper over this way. All right, so whatever design you want to be showing on your ring, you want that to be facing down. So you're going to take this bottom, remember, and we don't have any markers on this paper. So we're just going to fold it up just a little bit and make sure you crease it. And then you're going to take this top and you're going to fold it this way, down toward you. Fold it in half. And then you're going to fold it again down. Now this paper is a little more stiff than the dollar bill. So you have to kind of work with it a little bit to get that last fold crease crisp. So you do that. Now what I did was, because I need some kind of a marker so that I can get the right measurements on this side, is I took my dollar bill and I measured, see where the N is on the one? I measured that and marked it so that my paper will fold the same place as the dollar bill did. So you're going to see the line where I marked it. You're going to take your paper and fold it right on that line. Increase it. All right. Then we'll fold the paper over one more time. Okay, we're going to hold it in our hand, remember? And we turn it around this way so the L is facing to the left. It's like the L is like laying down. See this L? We're going to lay it down this way. Then you're going to take this and wrap this around your finger. Remember that that's going to be the part that's going to be on your finger. And that looks pretty big. Alright, and then you're going to take this little side here and make that flap. Remember how we had to make it a little bend? On this side, we're going to take this paper here. And again, there's that little pocket fold underneath. And you're going to stick that end of the paper inside that pocket fold, just like that. There you go. And you're going to take this side. And then, you know what, you can adjust this to fit your finger. So you put this on your finger, whichever one you want. And then you pull this tight. Alright, so that's about the right size for that finger if I want to wear it on there. Then I'm going to take and finish folding this. And remember this little bend, this little pocket right here, fold. I'm going to tuck that in right there. And then there's my ring. And then I measured it so it'll fit on that finger. And then you can decorate the front. You can put you can leave it like that if you want, or you can put something on it. So on this one I put a heart. And this was supposed to be a sun, but it kind of looks like a spider or something. I don't know. But anyway, there's the rings.